Insufficient use of personal protective equipment on construction sites is a major safety risk that you absolutely cannot ignore if you want to keep your crew safe. So, you gotta make sure everyone actually wears their gear, like helmets, gloves, goggles, and those high visibility vests. Don't just hand it out and hope for the best. Set clear rules and remind people often why this stuff matters. Make PPE easy to get to and replace, because if the gear looks worn out or uncomfortable, folks won't bother using it. Train your team regularly on how to wear and maintain their equipment properly so it fits right and works as it should. Also, create a culture where safety is cool, not annoying. Praise those who follow the rules and gently call out anyone slacking. Have supervisors check PPE used daily and keep records to catch patterns before things get risky. When someone forgets or refuses to wear their gear, deal with it quickly but respectfully. It's about keeping everyone safe, not just being a bossy boss. Lastly, stay updated on the latest PPE innovations. Sometimes new gear can make a huge difference in comfort and protection. One of the biggest mistakes with personal protective equipment policies is not enforcing them consistently. If rules are only sometimes followed, workers get mixed messages and might skip gear when they think no one's watching. Fix this by setting up regular spot checks and making sure leaders lead by example. Another common issue is giving out poor quality or ill-fitting PPE, which makes workers uncomfortable and less likely to wear it properly. You can fix that by investing in high-quality gear and offering different sizes or adjustable options. Third, many workplaces forget to train their teams properly on why PPE is essential and how to use it right, which means people don't take it seriously or don't use it correctly. Solve this by scheduling frequent training sessions and keeping safety top of mind with reminders and signs around the job site. BigHomeProjects.com makes life easier by helping homeowners quickly find trustworthy local contractors who actually care about safety and quality work. Plus, it helps contractors connect with real clients looking for skilled pros, making sure everyone wins in the end.